In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a user feedback survey in Hotjar. We'll walk through the entire process together, step by step, so that by the end, you'll have a live survey ready to collect insights from your visitors. Start by heading over to your Hotjar dashboard and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the main overview page for your site. This is where Hotjar groups all of its tools like heat maps, recordings, and feedback. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct website or project, especially if you manage more than one. Next, look for the section or tab called Voice of Customer. This is the part of Hotjar dedicated to hearing directly from your users through surveys and feedback widgets. Click on that to open the Voice of Customer area. Inside, you'll see different options for collecting feedback. Find and click on the option that says something like Collect engaging feedback via a survey. This is what we'll use to set up a user feedback survey that pops up for your visitors. You'll now see an onboarding or setup screen. Go ahead and click the Get Started button. This will open the basic survey configuration where you define what you want to ask and how it should appear to users. In the question field, click inside and type the main question you want to ask your users. For example, you might ask how satisfied they are with your site or how easy it was to complete a task. Keep the questions simple and clear so visitors can respond quickly without confusion. Below that, you'll see a field for the low score label. Click in this field and add text that describes what a low rating means, such as very dissatisfied or not likely at all. Then in the high score label field, add text for the best possible rating, like very satisfied or extremely likely. Clear labels help users understand the scale at a glance. Next, choose where the feedback widget will appear on the screen. Click on the position drop-down and pick an option such as middle right, middle left, bottom right, or bottom left. Think about where it will be visible but not too disruptive for your users. When you're happy with these settings, click the Create Feedback button. This saves and creates your feedback widget. You'll then see additional options where you can again set a low score label and a high score label, this time for your Net Promoter Score style question if you're using one. Click into each label field and add clear text, like not likely at all for the low end and extremely likely for the high end. Finally, click on Create NPS Survey. Hotjar will now create your survey and prepare it to run on your site, ready to start capturing